Here we are at problem 4C from our target 2. We're asked to simplify the following using the distributive property. What we're going to go ahead and do first is distribute our 4x inside this first set of parentheses. So we end up then with 4x times negative 2x. That positive 4 times negative 2 gives us negative 8. That x times our x gives us then x squared. So again, just for that first part, we end up with 4x times negative 2x gives us negative 8x squared. Distributing the 4x then to the negative 5, we end up with that positive 4 times negative 5 gives us negative 20, and that x was along for the ride as well. So again, 4x times negative 5 gives us negative 20x. Now, for this one, it's a little misleading because really, if there's no number outside this parenthesis, there is a hidden embedded 1 in front. So what we are distributing here is actually this negative 1. So we end up with negative 1. In fact, before we actually do that, if we were to throw a plus symbol right in between here, we actually have not changed the problem at all. So we'll be adding something. What we're going to do is take that negative 1, and distribute negative 1 to both items. Again, we are not changing the problem at all. Really what we're doing is just changing the way it looks. Because in previous years you may have seen something like, if you had 5 minus 2, well, we know that that is 3. Alternatively, if we had 5 plus negative 2, that's also 3. The same thing's actually happening right here, just by throwing in that plus symbol. We're not changing the problem at all because we will get the same answer. We're just changing the way it's looking is all. So that negative 1 is being distributed in. Negative 1 times negative 3x. Negative times negative gives us a positive. 1 times 3x gives us 3x. Negative 1 times positive 5 gives us negative 5. So again, when we distributed that negative 1, we ended up with 3x minus 5. Lastly, what we would do is try and combine our like terms here. Well, it looks like there's nothing that can be combined with this negative 8x squared. So we have negative 8x squared in our final answer. We also have negative 20x. It looks like it can be combined with this positive 3x, giving us then negative 17x's. Because again, if you owed 20x, because it's negative, but you pay off 3 of those x's, we would end up then with just owing negative 17x's then. And then lastly, nothing can be combined with this negative 5, so he just drops down as well. So this would be our final simplified version. Again, that is problem 4C from our target 2.